What did you see?
There's droplets of water that had been captured from the rain a few hours ago, and they're shining like pearls on the leaves.
Ooh.
Regarde celle-là. Tu la vois?
There's been a couple of occasions in the past where we had access to just a small pond of water, very tiny.
Like puddle.
Puddle, yeah. Puddle of water, and we're always very happy to use it and create something that looks like big body of water, but it's not. So I have example 1 here and the picture, example 2 and the picture. So our friend Yohann knew about that, more or less.
He knew we were looking for
locations,
for a location,
Uh-huh.
and he spotted that little puddle.
Mm-hmm.
But then I think, if I recall correctly, I asked him to take another shot, but from very low, so you could actually see what it would look like.
Yeah. So when I saw the picture, I knew that I could do exactly this one. It worked. That's the story about using puddles to make miracles. There's a deer, right over there, a deer. You said that you found some marshes, right? But there's a squirrel. So we're going to marshes tonight. And I told you it's now or never, because it's early May, and if we wait just a bit too much, it's gonna be full of mosquitoes, and we don't want that. It might be even too late. We'll see. Come with me, it's so beautiful. Look at that. And what do we hear?
Now it's crucifer.
Crucifer. Renette crucifer.
Crucifer. So when we came here, I actually wanted to shoot in the marshes, but
yeah, and I suggested that we keep just your head above the water, right?
yeah, Eric said no.
Because you're gonna be quite deep if we do that. Alright. So what's the video you're currently working on?
How to shoot with reflection when you only have a puddle.
Yeah, because you don't need a lot. That would be enough, right?
I
Let's
think so,
prove
if you're
it.
wide enough.
Yeah, I'm at 14 now.
Magic.
It's perfect. And so far, no mosquitoes. That's not gonna last. Ok, j'arrive avec un pétard. Et 3, 2, 1. Stop. Et 3, 2, 1. Stop. Okay, in focus now? Is it better? Yeah, it looks better, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, so the highlights was really about having the sparklers, because it was lighting up all the trees around you. You didn't see anything yet, but it was magical. I see that the battery is blinking. We're running out of battery again. But this is so loud. This is so special to hear all of those frogs. So I know the name in French. These are
Crucifères!
crucifères. So I'll have a look what it is in English. But this was just a small pond again, and it's just about having that great composition with a super wide lens. I was at 10 millimeters tonight on a manual lens, and wow, I'm super excited about this. Okay, last words with Kim.
We're in early May, and within a few days from now, this whole place is going to be very different because the leaves are opening. Now it's like tiny bourgeons. What are bourgeons? Tiny baby leaves, and they will be open probably in a few days. And in a few weeks, there's not going to be water in the marshes. Yohann said it's going to be like all lushy and green. So yeah, once again we're lucky. I think the last word is their show.
Their show. It's their show tonight.
Just finish on them.
Can you point the light?
Merci les crucifères!
Can you believe that? This little flack of water. What is flack in
Puddle?
English?
Puddle?
Little puddle. This is gold. You don't need more than this.
Thank you, Flack.
C'est bon?
Bon pour moi.
Bon pour toi?
Non pour moi.
Ok, attaque. Go les grenouilles.
Crucifères!
Ok, t'es prête?